Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Karawe, nice one. You're all at the Papa Rākau.
Anna, the tarere swing is fun. Higher e.
You two be careful not too high. Someone might get hurt.
We will, Kōkā. Can I have a turn on the swing now, or? Aye, here you go. Your turn. I'll push you.
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
Ko Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kia ora, Is everyone there?
Aye.
Me ētahi. Me too.
Ngā mihi, Tākaro Tribe. You too, Wao. You're very special.
Ngā mihi e pā.
Pāpaka, Crab, has invited you to the beach to play. But you must visit Kōkā first.
Ka pai. Let's go see Kōkā.
Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā. We have been invited to the beach to play with Pāpaka, Crab.
Keep an eye out and you might see a Paikea, Humpback.
What's a Paikea, Kōkā?
It's a very big species of tohora, whale. When it dives deep, its back arches and looks like a tuapuku, hump.
Oh, we might see a Paikea.
Just a minute, Pāpā Rākau's calling you. He has your piko, backpacks to take to the beach.
Ka pai, Kōkā.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero. O te ao marama aue.
Tākaro Tribe. You've arrived.
Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we get to the beach?
Pooh will take you. She won't be long.
Yay!
What did Kōkā tell you?
To watch out for a great big Paikea.
Do you know what a Paikea looks like?
We know it's a species of whale.
Let's take a look. What colour is the Paikea? Humpback.
It's kiwi grey on top and has a white puku.
Ka rawe, Ngāti Tākaro.
Gordiaske, out of the way!
Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe.
Don't forget your recycling bags.
Aye.
You can collect pepper, paper. You collect the krahe, glass. You're on kena, cans. Or you collect parakai, waste food. And the plastics.
Ka pai, Pāpā Rākau. It's time for our karakia. North wind blow gently, keep things firm ashore and at sea. 'Tis the place of Tangaroa, spreading to wide oceans, to long oceans. 'Tis the large domain of Tangaroa.
Be on the watch, Pooh. You might see a Paikea, Humpback.
Ka pai. All aboard Tākaro Tribe. We're off.
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau.
There's the moana. See?
Yay! Ira, look. A pot of Paikea. Humpback whales.
Paikea, humpback, is the acrobat of the ocean. When it leaps out of the water, it leans, then lands back in the water.
A great big Paikea. A great big splash.
Backpacked off so we can collect rubbish.
Oh, I found a plastic container. Oh, I found some paper.
That's not the right bag.
Yay!
Here comes Pāpaka, crab, walking sideways. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Welcome to the beach.
Kia ora, Pāpaka.
What shall we build today?
Aua hoki.
Wait, Kōkā just texted. She sent the word of the day. It's in the kete.
Where's the kitty?
There, on that toka rock.
Huh? A, E, K, E, A. Paikea. Paikea.
Paikea is the word of the day.
Let's make a Paikea. Humpback.
I'll make the outline of Paikea. You can all fill it in with sand.
Pāpaka's pixies, cuckoo, are like that.
We've made a nice Paikea, Tākaro Tribe. It's good to mahi tahi work together.
Thanks for the invitation and your help.
I'm off home. Hei konei rā. Bye.
Ka kite anō, Pāpaka. Ugh, our hands are dirty. Let's wash them.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. You're back.
Anna, it was fun making a Paikea out of sand.
Ka pai. Let's take a look at what our friends have been up to today.
Paikea.
ora Tākaro Tribe. Did you have a good day?
It was beautiful.
Let's take another look at what you did today. You were invited by Pāpaka to the beach to make shapes out of sand. You saw some Paikea, humpbacks, and worked with Pāpaka to create it out of sand. You also learned how to spell the word Paikea. P-A-E-K-E-A. Paikea. Now that was a beautiful day. What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moinga, takoto iho ki